Here's a start to my hydroponic garden this year. I'm going to be growing 4 different types of tomatoes this year, and then probably 4 different types of cucumbers. Most of them are going to be all pickling, except I think one I'm going to do a slicing. And then I got also 4 different types of lettuce plants. For the tomatoes, this is one of them I'm going to be growing. Now this one, it's pretty unique. I'm excited to grow this one. It's pretty meaty, and then it's got a kind of like a pineapple color in the middle. Then when it ripens up, there's like a red, kind of like a tie-dye, kind of like a red blotch in the middle. And then that one is these two. I'm only going to be picking one once I'm ready, and then whatever the strongest one is. Other one I'm growing here is bread and salt, and that is these guys here. This is going to be a paste tomato. It's pretty meaty. Second one I'm going to be growing is Berkeley tie-dye pink, and that's these two here. And then the next paste one I'm going to be doing is the Korean long. They said it's supposed to be pretty good. So these are these 2 plants here. Show you the roots. For the cucumber plants, I just kind of did a germination test on the couple seeds I had from a few years. What I did was national pickling. Pretty much all 3 plants are going to be pickling ones, and then I got 1 slicer. The next one I'm going to do is this one here. And then the next one. These are from last year's seeds, I believe, from 2023. And then here's the next one. I got some other ones I got for this year, but I just wanted to see if these things were good, and they all germinated. And these roots are growing like crazy in here. And then for my lettuce, I'm growing 4 different types of lettuce. I just germinated this one kind of spinach. So the first lettuce plant here, this is a red oak. And then here's the second one. And that one is these 2 here. I germinated these both on April 1st. And then did a romaine lettuce. I forgot which one this. That's these 2 here. And here. The roots aren't as big as on the other ones as this one. These are just the start of the spinach leaves. Just starting out.